Very good, my YouTube people. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Bartholomew J. Simpson to Bart from The Simpsons, step by step with a simple pencil. If you want to be sending me your drawings, chat with me. I will give you suggestions and tips. You can do it on my Facebook page, which will be appearing up here. Once all this is said, let's go with the drawing. For this, we are going to be using geometric figures, in this case a cylinder, and we are going to divide it by this line. And half of this line is all we're going to need to draw Bartholomew J. Simpson with a simple pencil. If you want me to be drawing another character, comment below in the comments box. And since you're here, give it a strong like, leave a nice comment, and subscribe. That helps me a lot. Now, yes, we are going to continue with this, but never forget, God bless you.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good